What's up guys, it's your boy Seas Frost and welcome back to another video. Title of this video, you can see that we're doing an unboxing. Today's unboxing is Threadbeast. In no way or shape or form sponsor. This is personally me, my money that I pay because I want to try it. I've been seeing a lot of those ads lately on it, so I want to try it, the product itself. So there's 4 different plans on Threadbeast. So there's like the basic, the essential, premium, and the baller package. This is the essential package. I'm gonna give them 2 more unboxing, 2 more tries to see if it's something worth to keep or not. So you'll eventually see that in the other 2 videos when it comes out. This is the box it comes with. It's a pretty big box, not gonna lie. It weighs 2.7 kilograms. I don't know how much that it is in pounds, but it's not a heavy, but not also a light box either. I do like the box it comes in. It looks like if you have big shoes, that this is the type of box here. You got chains, 1 less trip to the mall. This is how the package look. As you see, this is how the package look right now. Threadbeast package 1. Congratulations on becoming an exclusive Threadbeast member. This box serves as your first style upgrade. The pieces included are meant to be mixed and matched with what you currently own in your closet. Don't forget to log in and keep your style profile up to date. Your stylist will use this when creating your package. And how to log in, and thank you again for joining Threadbeast. This is just the beginning, and that's pretty much it on that. And then this is like a giveaway contest. So this is black keys, red stripe con shirt. The striped shirt, I never know about this brand. I don't know what's this brand, and it says, he was young and was dumb, but we have hearts. It's not a side pocket, so it's just a little patch on kind of thing. It's not bad. I don't hate it. It looks pretty dope. Oh, there's another patch right here. Smiles now, cries later. That's pretty dope. Yeah, this one, it's not bad. It's something I could wear. Alright, what's another? Rourke. Okay, so the almost plain black t-shirt. It's Rourke. Let's see, what brand is this? Let's see. Okay, so the brand is Rourke. The Architect of Adventures. Hong Kong. So I'm guessing it's like a Japanese brand. It's not bad. It's not better than the first shirt, but it's doable. It's something probably I'll wear this with like a jacket or something like that later on. It's not bad. Not bad. Not good play. Alright, almost a plain white t-shirt. Pink and dolphin clothing. Honestly, I'd never heard of any of these brands. Not bad. Oh, okay, that's pretty dope. I do like. Is that the same? Yeah. I don't like it in the front, but I do like it in the back. I can tell you that. I do like this sign in the back. Yeah, that's my only complaint about this shirt, is the front. If it was just a plain front shirt and the back, and it has the sign in the back, I would have been fine with this. It's not bad, but I don't know if I could see myself wearing this all the time. But I don't know, I might wear it. It depends on how I feel. So I don't know. It's not bad. These shorts are pretty horrible. They're pretty bad. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fuck with these. I don't think so. Alright, what's the next item? Okay, so another layered limited edition layer appeal. I like the zipper, but what is it? What type of hyperforged fabric? Some protection, moisture rack, anti. I don't know. I honestly, I don't think I'm probably ever gonna wear this. Honestly, no, that's not that great. His pants are just weird. Okay, I meant the shorts. The shorts are honestly weird. The sign's cool, all the things pretty cool about it. I just don't really wear snapbacks hats. I usually wear more dad hats than anything. So Threadbeast, if you're watching this, if you're gonna give me hats, you need to give me dad hats, not snapback. Alright, we got Man Everyday Crew, Richard for Design in California. Some socks. Banana on tree socks? Pretty dope. I like it. Usually I'm not really picky on socks, but yeah, I can pull an outfit on this. I'm gonna sweat on that. Finally, pants. What's it about? Who's it about? Jack and Jones, the Intelligence. What is it? Is this straight pants or is it? They're skinny. Okay, so they're skinny. And that's the last item. So that's basically gonna end with the video of showing clothes that I got from Threadbeast. This is just the only first package that I got. So I'm gonna do 2 more packages, and it's to tell you guys that if Threadbeast is worth it or not. Right now, it's not really the best stuff. Not most of the clothes. The shirts are fine. Shorts, nope, I didn't like. This is just being my honest opinion on it. I'm not being sponsored or anything by them. I'm not saying you should go buy their packages or anything. I'm just telling you what honestly I think. So we did, yeah, so the hat, it's a no-go for me. I mean, I really don't like snapbacks hats, so, but I do like the brand Diamond, but I just don't like snapbacks. The jeans I can go with. Most of the shirts are fine. Just the shorts, that's the only thing that killed me in this box. I did not like the shorts at all. They were too weird, not fit my style. And later on, before I get my second package, I'm gonna let one of the stylists know how I feel about this. And I'm not sponsored by Threadbeast whatsoever, but you're not a Threadbeast. If you are watching this, hit me up on my email, whatever way you can get in contact with me. If you want sponsored, just let me know. Do like a montage of all the clothes, me wearing the clothes and stuff like that. So,
is it too late? Is it too late? I really shouldn't be driving, but I'm on my way. Is it too late?
If you guys liked the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Peace.
I'm too drunk to care. All you do is stop and stare.